World, I thought I was gonna die on the way here.
It wasn't that bad.
Let me tell.
That was
let me tell the
terrifying.
camera. Okay, so this guy would slam on the pedal, then he would slam on the brakes, and he did that the whole time.
Kind of like how you say I drive, but way worse.
We're at Resorts World. We're gonna get some dinner and then we're gonna do the Christmas lights experience. They have all kinds of goodness here, from Texas barbecue to dumplings to sushi to noodles to Mexican, everything. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. Oh, what are you picking?
Untonki.
Oh yeah, we're getting our whole dinner here tonight. Oh, what's that?
I think I know which one you're looking for.
Okay, out, they're out. They're out. There you go. Okay, there you go.
$93.
Great, that's the cheapest thing we've had.
No, hold on.
You need to add more?
My brother ordered that box of dumplings.
Was it good?
It was $63.
Holy moly! You can order from all these different places. Okay, so that's one of them.
Wait, there's a table.
Okay, get it.
Quick.
Get it.
We have to
Go. Yeah. Oh, hello. Nice. Yeah, babe. We're at street foods from around the world here at Resorts World.
We can get a burger and a bao bun.
So hungry.
You get a burger and a bao bun. Yeah. And a glass of champagne.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, babe. We're at ENCHANT. How was the Christmas lights? How was ENCHANT?
That's good.
How's your hot chocolate
Very good.
in a souvenir cup?
Since it was 20 degrees out.
It was very cold. It's very busy. We're walking back through the food court. So, babe, would you give it a go again?
It was good. I don't know that it was worth the money. I think we paid $150
What?
for 3 of us.
Did we really?
Yeah.
You didn't tell me that.
It was expensive. I don't think that was worth it, but it was fun.
Oh.
And then our souvenir hot chocolates were $22 a piece. Yeah.